Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. If you are on the search for effortless style in a retro classic dress, then look no further than this dress from Bbonlinedress. So this is the beautiful green color that I am wearing. The retro style means that it's fitted up above my waist in the bodice area, and then it flares out at the bottom. You can see that there is absolutely room if you wanted to wear petticoats at the bottom and have the skirt really stick out farther. I'm so happy with the material. It has a thick, heavy cotton feel to it, but there is a little bit of stretch in the fabric. I found the fit to be roomy, especially in the chest. I'm wearing an extra large. My concern was going to be in the sleeves. They're so adorable, this little cap sleeve that is open at the bottom. So it's not going to be tight around your arm, which I was concerned about because sometimes I find dresses are tight on my upper arm, but this is open at the armpit area, so it's just a cap sleeve, and I found that to be comfortable. It does have a rather deep plunging V-neck, but you could wear something under it if you're concerned about showing too much of your chest and you want it to be a little more modest. It has a zipper up the back, and it again is a comfortable, effortless, easy dress to wear. I especially like the length. I feel like it goes with a lot of different shoe styles. I wear flats a lot, but you could easily wear super fun heels with this dress, and it's definitely a dress up or dress down, so a very versatile piece for your wardrobe. So all in all, I am so happy with this dress. I'm really looking forward to all the different places I'm going to be able to wear it, and that is my point of view.